Hey, hi developers, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we will explore about IDEs for Java application development. And also, we will see what is an IDE, which is a good IDE for Java application development. And we will measure to select good IDE for enterprise level application development. And we will also explore how to good IDE will help us to build good Java application and save our efforts. So we will start. Okay. Uh, IDEs for Java application development. Okay. IDEs stand for Integrated Development Environment. Okay. Good IDE will help programmer to write, debug, and execute the programming code with good quality and also a control its version. Okay. In market, many IDs are available and we will choose according to our requirement. Okay, and how we will specify our requirement, we will see this in next slide. Okay. But there are some most famous IDE are available which is used by many of software companies and programmer based on his features. Okay, some IDEs are open source and some have paid version. Okay, then how to choose good IDE for our Java application development? Okay, this is very tough questions because to identify a good IDE is a very difficult task. But uh, if we uh, uh, have clear about our requirement, then it is a very not an expensive and expensive task. Okay, so now we will seeing some requirements to choose the our ID. Okay, first, while we are developing any software, so first we think about that key budget. Key because key in we will see in the market some of the IDs are paid, have a paid version, and some ID have a open source. Okay, so according to that we should to try to identify them, okay, which is the paid and which is the open source, then select the any particular ID. Then second point is keep building application code, written code, and easily provide support of the Java. Means if because we are here talking about the Java, so we will see this IDE easily provide the support of Java or not. Means key easily compile the code, execute the code, and debugging the code. Third one is debugging the code. After the writing the code, many times we require to debugging our code before the executions for the checking everything is okay or not. So the we also think about that IDE will provide a debugging facilities or not. Fourth one is code quality inspections. Means when we write the code, so that time we also look after that key our code quality is good. Means means there is lots of things in code inspections like unnecessary uh, variables are not used and duplicate code are not written. So there are lots of things. And there are lots of open source. Some tools are available which is inspect our code. So we will also see this IDE easily integrated with the other code inspection tool or not. Then code assistance. So while we are writing the code, so that time we need some assist, assistance for the better code written, because in programming language there is lots of method and lots of classes are available, and it is not possible to any developer to remember all classes and method. So while we writing the any code, so that time IDE will implicitly give us to some assist about the what should be next. Okay, then code refactoring. In real world, it is mandatory it is not we can say mandatory, but sometimes we have to face any condition where we should where we need to refactoring our code. Refactoring means change something changes in our code. So before the choosing the any IDE, we will also seeing these features. This IDE is easily refactor our code or not. Okay, and code testing, unit testing framework support JUnit means after the written the code, debugging, code inspection, and code assistant and code refactoring, it is also a main factor. Okay, because when we writing any process or any software application, so that time we also need to do unit testing at developer level. Okay, so and there are some tools are available, frameworks are available which is support the unit testing, like one of the best and um, best we can say framework, unit testing framework is JUnit. So we will also think this IDE will support JUnit or not. Then building tool support means while we are writing any Java application, Java web applications, like in is either in Spring and ID Spring Boot. So that time we will use Maven or Gradle for dependency management. Okay, so we will also seeing this IDE will easily provide a support of build tools or not. Then VCS means version control support. Means after the written the code, while we are developing any software, so that time what we can do, we can store our code in somewhere for the further use or for the further use or further use. So okay, so that time we also saying ki, ID will also means we have also need to support for the VCS control, means we can easily clone in our project and easily commit our code and push the code and these types of things. Means we also think, yeah, this ID will provide a kit have support or not. Then last thing is a data modeling. Some IDE will provide a data modeling features. Means like data modeling features in the sense ki, if I am data modeling features, like they are providing the database tables related structure information in ID. So this is the some requirements. Okay, and based upon that requirement, we should to choose a IDE. Okay, which IDE fulfill our this all requirements. Okay, recommended IDE for Java application development. Uh, Based on previous slides requirements, there is some IDs available in market. We can say famous ID in IDE, which is recommended by me and many developers. Okay, like first one is IntelliJ, Eclipse, then Spring Tools Suite, STS, then Java J developers, then NetBeans. These are the some IDEs which is available in market, and many developers are used this IDE, and this IDE provides support of all previous slides requirements. Okay, thank you for watching this video. In next video, we will learn about how to install IntelliJ and feature of IntelliJ. So friends, thanks for again, thanks for the watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel, so you will get a notification about my every video. Okay, and next video we will see how to install IntelliJ and explore some more feature about the IntelliJ which is required in industry. Okay, friends. Thanks. Bye bye.